Well, good morning, everybody. At least it's good morning for me when I'm making the video. So a little bit different on this assignment is they're not going to give you the slope. They're just going to give you 2 points. So the first thing that you need to do is find the slope. And remember the pattern goes y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And like I've told you guys in the past, drawing this first really helps me. I'm going to write 1 point over the other. It doesn't matter which one you put above and which one you put below. And what that does for me is it lines up the y values. So 0, -2, those go plus then, and -5, 5, -5, 5. So this becomes 2 over -10, and remember to reduce it, so that's -1/5 is what your slope is. Now you get to pick either point. I like this one because 0 is always easy to work with. You could pick that one. It's not going to matter which one. So you know you got y equals mx plus b. You know your slope is -1/5, so that goes there. Your x value is -5. You don't know the y-intercept, and the y value is 0. So 0 is equal to, this becomes positive, and the 5's cancel, and that becomes positive. So you just have 1 plus b, subtract the 1, and you get -1 is equal to b. So your final answer is y is equal to -1/5 x minus 1. So that's your answer. If you had picked this point, just sometimes it's good just to have believability. That's still your slope, and that's your x, and that's your y. So I'm going to fill in what I know. -2 is equal to, so the slope was -1/5 times 5 plus b. The 5's cancel, and you're left with -2 is equal to -1 plus b. Add the 1 to both sides, and you get -1 is equal to b, which is what we found using the other point. Okay, so it doesn't matter which point you pick, you'll still get the same answer. Okay, let's see. Writing the equations for 2 points. So first thing you gotta do is find the slope. I'm gonna write one above the other. It doesn't matter which one's above or which one's below. The y's go on top, 3, 2. The x's go on bottom. That goes positive. So you're left with 1 over 3. Your slope is a third. That's a 6. It kind of looks like a B. Okay, don't know if that made it any better. So you know you've got y is equal to 1/3 x plus b, because that's your slope. Now you pick either point. I guess I like these two because they're smaller. So I'm going to fill in the x and the y. 3 is equal to 1/3 times -3 plus b. The 3's cancel out, leaves a -1 in its place. 3 is equal to -1 plus b. Add the 1 to both sides, and you got 4 is equal to b. So then your final answer is y is equal to 1/3 x plus 4. Okay? And these were the 2 assignments that you guys have for homework. The first video went with this one. The video that you're watching right now goes with this one. Oops, I got to say that backwards. The video you're watching right now goes with this one. This was the previous video. Okay, thank you for your time. Have yourself a great one.